we're going to see them alive again. I worry about what type of violence they might be experiencing. Taliban's denials are not very credible because they've been so untruthful so often about so many things. And it's really alarming also that they haven't, while making these denials, made any kind of gesture toward having a meaningful investigation of where these women are. So if they didn't take them themselves, and they're supposed to be running a government, you would expect them to be deeply alarmed about women being abducted by armed men who say that they're the Taliban intelligence service late at night.